Happy Sunday, everybody. I'm Jennifer Bell, and I welcome you to this new video. I know I haven't done any in a while. I've been in a new opportunity, and I'm really excited to share with you guys what I've been learning over the past month. For anyone that wants to learn how to market their business without spamming their link, without cold calling, without cold messaging, without not blowing up people's posts or blowing up their newsfeed. I have found something that's really amazing. The thing is that I've been learning these skills over the past 18 months, but it was kind of hard to implement. I kind of have a problem with implementation. A lot of times we see the top people in the companies doing things different and it can confuse us. So here is a way that you cannot be confused. Everybody's pretty much doing the same thing. We're not cold calling, we're not inboxing, we're not spamming our links. Letting people come to us because we want to be the hunted, not the hunter. It's a whole lot of work to have to hunt people down. And plus, we want people that come to us because they're more likely to stay if they're actually chasing us down. And it's just really incredible that we're learning how to do all this while earning. There's a lot of people that have full-time jobs, a lot of people that have side jobs, a lot of people that are just using this as a main income. Oh, it's cold. So whatever you choose to do, this is perfect, but these are skills that you can literally take anywhere into other businesses, because a lot of people, a lot of people in the online space are realizing that they need multiple streams of income. So this is definitely an addition to that, no matter whether you have another MLM, direct sales, network marketing, affiliate marketing, or whether you just have a regular job, or you just want more time freedom. When we're online, the point is that we want time freedom, so we don't want to be working all day. A lot of businesses may have you messaging all day, all night, and then where's your time? You're having no time freedom because you're busy having to collect all these messages or all these responses from people, hoping that someone's going to join us, and that just doesn't always work. For the top marketers, it can, but for those of us that are kind of struggling a little bit, it will not. I learned that the hard way. I just did not feel good cold calling people, cold messaging. I just feel this anxiety coming up in my chest where I was just so terrified that they were going to curse me out, or what if I just something came out wrong? They misunderstood. What if they just block me so I don't even have another chance to start a relationship with them? Because there's a lot of cool people that I messaged that I was like, wow, they're already in something like this. So maybe they already know about multiple income streams. So why not just pitch it to them? But the thing is that maybe they're not looking for something like this. They could be looking for another stream, but maybe not particularly this. People want to join stuff that they click with, that they vibe with, that they just, for some reason, you just look at anything. It's just like Home Depot versus Lowe's. Some people like Home Depot, some people like Lowe's, some people like Burger King, some people like McDonald's for various reasons. And we don't want to push people into joining, especially lately. It's just kind of a lot of very pushy people, and it's like, man, I'm a person, And I understand why we're learning this is because we want people to, have people know that we're seeing them as people, not just dollars. And that's huge, especially when only 3% of people actually join on the first view to your website anyways. We want to build relationships. We want people to hang around with us for long term, no matter what we're in, no matter what we're doing, as friends, because that's the point of networking, is that you're building your network. Because it's just like anything else. Who doesn't want a vast network of cool people that you can learn various stuff from? Because you never know when you might need a particular set of skills or a particular block of information. So, I'm really glad that I found this, and in that way I'm actually being forced to implement it. We have a step-by-step blueprint that shows exactly what to do, so it's not confusing. It takes a couple hours a day. I'm sure we all have that. I mean, we can squeeze it. I understand that a lot of people don't have a lot of time, they don't have a lot of money, but do we want to be like that forever? If this is something that is hard for you right now, do you want it like that forever? I certainly do not. So I just decided that I'm just going to push that aside and do what I have to, because I want to change my financial situation. I want to have more time to do what I want. I want more money to do what I want. And, if I kept up on this road where I never have the money, never have the time, I would never get our family out of the situation. So, sometimes you just got to decide, if it's really a goal of yours, this is a perfect opportunity because you're literally having the time to make your own schedule, do the things for your business on your own time. And then you can have your free time. You block out certain parts to do this, certain parts to do that, whether it's personal or professional. And then that's it. I really love that we have everything laid out so that we know exactly what to do. We can put in a calendar or on a timer how much time we got to put into each task. And that way we know how much time we have later to spend time with our loved ones, to go grocery shopping, to do yard work, to travel, anything like that. Because I know for one, I definitely did not miss having to ask for time off, to be able to ask to have time off when I'm sick, to ask for time off to have to go see my kids for an important event. And it's not always guaranteed that we can find somebody to cover. I want to be able to stay home where I can not risk my insurance, risk my car, risk my own health, my own life, and be able to use that time instead to go do things that I enjoy, like traveling, sightseeing, taking my kids and having them see new things. And that's what interests me. So that is what I want to do. Oh, this camera was really close. That is a dream of mine, so I'm working towards it. And if that's something that you're working towards, you sometimes just got to push your foot down and say, I'm doing this no matter what. And it's going to take a little time. This is not something where you get rich over quick. It takes time because you're building a network. You're building a following, but the more you get into it, the more time you invest in it, the more consistent you are, that you will find that you are seeing more and more success and that more and more people are following you. And maybe down the road, everyone will want to join. I have uplines in other companies that said it took them 5-6 years to finally get to the point where people are joining whatever they join. But I feel like it's worth it because being able to do things on my own time, not having to ask to go to the bathroom, not having to risk my insurance on my car is well worth it. Really amazing for me. It's a really great opportunity. And it's what I always dreamed of. I always wanted to work from home. So why wouldn't I do this? It's like perfect. Work for myself from home. So anyways, if you have any comments, if you are live, hey, hashtag live. I know this is on YouTube, but if you're well, no, you're not live. This is YouTube. Anyways. I'm not perfect. See, this is why it's fun working from home and being able to build your own business, because you don't have to be perfect. And, I could sit there and say, I'm not going to post this because it's not perfect, but I'm a human. We all do stuff. I want to make sure that people know that anybody could do this. This is totally for anybody, no matter what age, no matter if you're a parent or not, whatever you're doing. But anyways, if, hashtag replay where you're from. I'd love to see where all my YouTube viewers are from around the world that are seeing this. And, if you are interested in learning what we're doing, how we're earning without spamming our link, without chasing anybody, without convincing, and having an exact blueprint from a 7-figure earner, comment info, and then I can get back to you. If I believe my inbox is set up here on YouTube, so you could try that. But if not, just comment below, and then I will get a hold of you, and we can get you set up in this great opportunity that is good as a side hustle or a main hustle, whatever you choose to do. And so I will see you guys all next time. Thanks for watching.